And I was like, I don't really like scents. He's like, yeah, but just try it. I tried it and I was like, I don't know how I feel about it. It's only okay in my opinion. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 3 of January 2018 box week. So really quick, if you have no idea what I'm talking about or who I am, hi, I'm Drew, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel because this is 1 week every single month that me and my subscribers spend every single day together for 1 week straight. We hang out, we comment back and forth, we make friends in the Just Like Drew crew. So really quick, if you're not already in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below and join our Forever Family because we're literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so tonight we are going to be opening a box that has been like 50-50 on my YouTube channel. So it's a box that I started getting back like in August, and so far it's like been hit or miss. Either it's like amazing or it's just like really like meh. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, tonight we're going to be unboxing the Macy's beauty box. Macy's came out with a subscription box a few months ago. It is $15 per month. And basically you get like luxury beauty items. Every single month you get about 5 items, including like a fragrance sample. Some months has been amazing, like Lancome, face creams, amazing stuff like that. And other months has been really kind of like meh. So, without further ado, we're going to get into it. I dropped my pocket knife to open this and I really don't feel like bending over and trying to get it. So I'm just gonna rip the seal off of this like a mad woman and get in this. All right, so every month they have a little booklet that tells you about the products that are inside, and it always comes with a coupon inside that gives you a $5 or $10 off a purchase of beauty items for the following month at Macy's. And now inside they always have a different bag, and this is this month's bag. Oh my gosh, it's really, really cute. Honestly, I'm a little thrown off by all of the cute like pink and purple kisses, simply because this seems like a Valentine's Day bag to me. So I'm like, oh, January, but I like it. It's really cute. I will say one thing I love hands down, I love the makeup bags they give in the Macy's subscription because honestly, I love using them to travel with. They're amazing and they're also just really, really adorable. Like I absolutely love every single one that I've gotten so far. So without further ado, I'm going to open this up and see what is inside. It is always wrapped in lovely pink tissue paper. And so I'm trying to open this up and unroll it. It's always like rolled like really like a burrito. Like it's like really intensely rolled. You have to really unroll it to get there. All right, so let's just try and find the fragrance sample first. All right, so the first thing we have is Michael Kors Very Sexy Ruby. Okay, I don't even have to smell this to tell you guys I absolutely love, love, love this smell. So you guys know that I'm really, really weird about fragrances. It's very rare that I have a fragrance that I even like. And I was out shopping with my boyfriend and he was like, hey, you should try this scent. And I was like, I don't really like scents. He's like, yeah, but just try it. I tried it and I was like, I don't know how I feel about it. It's only okay in my opinion. I took a sample home and then I was like, you know, it's not that bad. And then I would try it again. I was like, you know, it's really not really bad at all. And then I smelled it. I was like, you know, I love this. It's my new favorite scent. So it's amazing. Very Sexy Ruby. I recommend it. Like I said, I'm not going to even spray it because I actually got the rollerball of this for Christmas. Like I love it. I love it. So check it out. Yes, it's me endorsing a scent. You have to check it out. All right. The next item inside here is, ooh, Smashbox Boss lipstick right there. It is a red lipstick and it says Boss. Honestly, it automatically makes me think of my best friend Grace because Grace, I call her my lady boss best friend, and also it's like a red like she would wear. So honestly, she might end up getting this. And if she's watching this video, she's gonna be like, where that Boss lipstick at? I'm gonna be like, okay, here you go, girl. Here you go. All right, next item we have is Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Ooh, Ahava, a hand cream from Ahava. I've noticed recently Ahava, I just keep saying it just like saying Ahava. Ahava has been making kind of a comeback in the beauty boxes. It's really been popular the last few months. So obviously they're trying to get their brand more relevant and out there recently. The only thing I've never really been a fan of with Ahava is they like usually have like intense smelling products. This one's not terrible, but it has a scent to it. That's the thing with them, is like everything has like a smell. Like there's not anything of theirs you're like, okay, this is light and gentle. It's like, no, this has got a scent to it. So, you know, there's that. All right, the next item we have is Pure Grace Nude Rose Body Lotion. That's kind of weird that they're giving out another body lotion. I don't know, is that me to feel like it's weird that they're giving out like 2 lotions in one thing? I mean, I'm excited that it's Philosophy. I feel like that's awesome. Also, can we talk about the fact that this is Grace? And I was just talking about my best friend Grace. This is like the Grace beauty bag. Oh my gosh, it's making me think of my best friend so much. And I love her, so I'm excited to think about her. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. She might get this too just because it's called Grace. And I love Grace. Oh. Okay, sorry. Have a little moment there. All right, so this is a body cream. Ooh, I like the way this feels. So I might be keeping it. Sorry, Grace. I might be keeping it. It smells so good. Oh, and it smells beautiful. Oh my gosh, I like the smell. You guys, I like 2 smells in one. Everybody just stop the presses. Drew likes 2 smells in the same bag. I'm done. We can just stop the video now. We've won Box Week 2018. All right, the next item we have is Clinique plus Jonathan Adler Nude Pop Lipstick. Okay. So that, oh, that's really, really like light, creamy nude tone. Okay, again, this is, I mean, I guess, yeah, I saw like the lipsticks on the bag, so it's probably more of a lipstick focused bag. But it's weird that it's been like 2 hand cream or 2 like lotions and 2 lipsticks. Like that's really weird. Is that just me, or do you guys also agree that's kind of a weird thing to have in the same subscription? All right, the next item we have is Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Oh my God. Okay, this is actually really kind of creepy. So today, like just today, I was thinking to myself, I really want to get that Origins like frothy face wash stuff that I keep seeing everywhere. Creepy. And you know what's really funny about that too is last night I was complaining about getting face washes, but I wanted to try this because I think it's supposed to be more of like a deeper cleansing exfoliating style wash. And I know I was complaining about getting so many face washes, but like I've said about like the one where we got the shampoo in the Ipsy, about how I don't like that like I don't mind that we got like just a shampoo in the Ipsy bag 2 nights ago, simply because it's like of a more unique thing. This is a more unique product. Okay, so I think that's everything we got in the bag today. So to recap, we got the Michael Kors Very Sexy Ruby fragrance, which I got in a rollerball for Christmas and I'm absolutely in love with. We got the Ahava Deep Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, this is specifically a hand cream. The Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash, which I'm actually excited to try, even though I know I was throwing shade about getting face washes a couple nights ago, but this is actually one that I've been interested in because it's more of a unique style face wash. The Clinique plus Jonathan Adler Nude Pop Lipstick, which is right there. The Smashbox Boss Lipstick, which is right there. And the Pure Grace Nude Rose Body Lotion, which is right there. So overall, I have mixed feelings about this bag. I like the stuff that we got in there. Like, I feel like it is good products, but I feel like altogether, it's not really an exciting bag. So I would be excited to get these items. I just feel like getting a bunch of lotions and lipsticks all in the same bag is a little bit less inventive and less exciting than I would like. So, like I said, I'm mixed about it. I'm happy. I think it's cool items. Honestly, I will say I believe everything in here is stuff that except for like the fragrance, which I tried in store, are things that I have not gotten in other bags before, which is awesome. But overall, I feel like the bag itself doesn't really make sense. So Macy's, we're gonna keep it around for a little bit longer. I'm still having iffy feelings about it. Like, I like it, but I'm not sure if I'm like absolutely madly in love with it at this point. But I do think it is still a solid subscription and we'll keep it on the channel for a little bit longer. But if they don't seem to start getting progressively better and it seems kind of like midline, we might switch it out for something else, just because I feel like at a certain point, there's always better subscriptions to spend the money on to test out and try. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below and join the Forever Family because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video because it's box week and we're only on day 3. Talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. There is a full size eyeshadow. I'm done. I'm seriously done. Like, I'm done.